guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. We are back with, yes, another Michaels grab bag unboxing. I was just in there today. I happened to be in the area getting some graduation banners for my daughter Lil's upcoming graduation celebration at the end of the month, and look what I found. Again, these were this was placed right on the ground near where you're about to check out, and they have those $1.50 craft items. I was so surprised. It was just there, so I took it. I again didn't look to see what was in it. It had some weight to it, so I'm so excited to see what is in here. I hope you guys are too. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, our first item is a Sharpie Ultimate Collection 45 count permanent markers, 25 fine and 20 ultra fine. Wow, look at this. Look at all those colors, and it is complete. My daughter Lil will be so happy and excited for this. This will be perfect for some of her art projects. And this already paid for a $5 box. It's already really worth it. Wow, that is so cool. Let's see what else is in here. The next one is by Art Mind, and it's a stencil. Again, perfect for my craft projects. Cannot wait to work with that. It says as is. Looks like there is supposed to be 2. So let's see if there are 2 in here. It doesn't matter, but that is really cool. So this is a good box. Oh my gosh. And if you haven't seen the previous Michaels grab bag that I unboxed, make sure to check it out on the playlist. We got a dual tip Creatology glue, and these again are perfect for craft projects. I'm loving this box. What do we have next here? Oh my goodness, look, we have some Centos crayons. How cool is this? It has a little sharpener in the back. Wow, I'm trying to see. Let's open this and just take a look and see what that looks like. So here it is, guys. Super complete set. How wonderful. And I can smell it. It definitely is scented. The kids are going to love that. That's so cool. Let's see what's next. We have another of the Centos crayons. It's pretty heavy. So I think that's what's been adding to the weight of our box. Here's another one. I'm definitely going to share this with my friend Joanne. I think her niece and nephews will love that. Oh my goodness. What else do we have here? Another one I am going to definitely share with my nieces as well. We have a ton of these. Wow, Centos crayons. So really cool. Next one, I have a little Mr. Sketch gel crayon. This is scented, and it's an orange crayon. How cool is that? So give that a try. I have a big item here. How cool! We have some Christmas lights. That is awesome, and these are not cheap. So hopefully this piece just broke, but I'm sure everything else works. What a cool deal. Perfect for the holidays. I have another string of lights, and this is GE. Nothing wrong with that. Definitely can replace our holiday lights for this Christmas season. What else do we have here? Oh my goodness. We have another Centos crayon. Another one of these. Lots to share with some of my kids' friends as well. Here is a deco marker, fine line in black, so that's pretty fun to see how to use that. How cool is this? We have a set of these scented gel pens. I love this. The kids are going to love that. we have a second one. So one for each of them. Scented gel pens. And these again are not cheap. And this time we have these thicker, these are markers. How cool. All those colors, 24 colors in there. What a fun box. And I have Deco color, this one again in black. It's cool. And we have another one. And I'm excited to try this out. This is a crayon, Mr. Sketch Scented Gel Crayon. The next one are Jelly Worlds. Turns water into magic jelly. How cool is that? Summer is just around the corner and this will be a super fun activity, and it should have 4 figures inside. Oh my gosh, Emmy and her friends are gonna have fun playing with this. This is so cool. See what else we have. How cute are these? I love it. Jelly Worlds, and I love these super cute characters, the moon and the stars. That is so adorable. I love it. I wonder how much these retail for, but that is fun. We have another Centos brand here, and this time it is scented scented dough. Again, this will be super fun. It looks like they have little shape makers in there. So you can put it through and push that. Oh my gosh, you can really, it's really strong. The smell is strong. But the kids will love playing with that. It will give me a headache though, so I'm gonna put that there. And let's see if there is anything else in here. A couple more items. And we have another one. I am gonna send this off to my nephew. He is gonna love this. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And another one of those orb jelly worlds with this adorable, cute little animals and the star and the moon. Super cool. Alright guys, if you're still watching, I have a little surprise for you. I have a hidden giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of these scented pens. And it is Mother's Day this weekend, so wanted to celebrate it and say thank you to all my fellow crafters that are mommies and all their mothers. Happy Mother's Day, girls. I'm going to include some stickers, some random stickers to this stash. And also a cute little notebook set, little die cut, and finally a Martha Stewart glitter and drying rack tray. So if you are interested in joining, make sure that you are a visible subscriber. Give me a thumbs up. And also, you must be 18 and older, and comment below and say enter me, and I will include you in the random drawing. I'll be picking one winner and I will announce it on Monday, May 10th. So good luck everyone. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.